Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Once again, this is your friendship Sherman Fernandez. And of course, for today's video, everyone, i-share ko sa inyo about my experience here in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia, which is a very special moment together with my big boss for today's video. Alright, at this time mga friendship, tara, samahan nyo ako. Itutur ko kayo, syempre, dito sa may Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia, kung ano nga ba talaga ang special or what makes a Kota Kinabalu special. Yes, that's right mga friendship, tama po ang inyong narinig. But this time, Kota Kinabalu, often abbreviated as KK, is a popular destination known for its beautiful sunsets, vibrant culture, and natural beauty, making it a favorite among tourists and photographers. It is served as a great base for exploring the rest of Sabah with easy access to islands. Aside from that mga friendship, we have here the stunning sunsets. Kota Kinabalu is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets, often mentioned as some of the best in the world. The skies lights up the vibrant colors. Maliban dyan mga friendship, we have here I Love KK sign. It is a popular spot for photos. The I Love KK sign is located on the waterfront, offering a great backdrop for pictures with the sea and sunset. Maliban dyan mga friendship, we have also here a waterfront area. The waterfront area is a pleasant place for strolls with opportunities to enjoy the sea views, watch fishing boats, and dine at seafood restaurants. Aside from that mga friendship, Kota Kinabalu is an excellent starting point for exploring other attractions in Sabah, including islands, mountains, and cultural villages. And of course, mga friendship, this time, hindi rin magpapatalo ang Wawasang Tang Dynasty Hotel. Located po yan dito sa may Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia, which is napakalinis at kaakit-akit sa iyong paningin. Maliban dyan mga friendship, ang Wawasang Tang Dynasty Hotel ay isa sa mga friendly hotel in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Does not have to be difficult. Kaya naman at this time, welcome to Tang Dynasty Hotel, a nice option for travelers like you. At syempre mga friendship, at this time, hindi rin magpapakabog ang ating mga Filipino products. Located po yan dito sa may Wawasang Tang Dynasty Hotel, the Tang's Mini Mart, na talaga namang kakaiba at patok na patok sa inyong panlasa. Kaya naman this time mga friendship, you can check online o pwede po niyo puntahan ang mismong location. Dito po yan sa ground floor Wawasang Tang Dynasty. Kaya naman this time mga friendship, as we can see, ang dami po nilang variants ng mga products na talaga naman pasok na pasok sa budget. Alright, this time mga friendship, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. For sure, pagod ng ating big boss for today's video. Kaya naman, bye for now everyone. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!